Sophisticated robotics transport the raw material to the furnaces. Here, it is liquefied at extreme.
Pressure's rising, keep it steady.
Acknowledged. Opening the main gate.
Molten gold, heated to over 1,000 degrees Celsius, is poured into casts to create the purest metals.
The molten gold, now purified, swirls at intense temperatures before the high-tonnage presses stamp it in.
Molten gold, heated to extreme temperatures, is precisely poured. Advanced robotics and hydraulic press. Here in the casting room, advanced robotics ensure the precise pouring of 999.9 pure gold into specialized molds.
Here at the facility, the refining process begins as the molten gold is precisely poured.
The molten gold must be stirred precisely before it is cast into the molds for the metals.
Look at the spike on the thermal readout here.
I see it. Increasing the cooling rate by 5%.
The process begins as the gold alloy slabs are fed into the rolling machine, gradually thinning the metal before
Here, the hydraulic presses convert pure gold discs into intricately detailed metals, showcasing the blend of raw material and precision engineering. Here at the refinery, our robotic arms handle the molten gold, ensuring precision before the hydraulic presses mint each detailed metal.
From the furnace to the press, every metal undergoes rigorous inspection to ensure the highest quality.
The metal blanks are carefully lowered into the electroplating tanks, where an electric current deposits a layer of pure gold.
The current density is holding steady at 5 amps.
Good. The thickness looks uniform on this batch.
The metals emerge from the electrolytic bath, ready for final inspection. Precision robotics ensure every piece meets the highest standards.
Here at the refinery, precision meets power. Molten gold is cast, then stamped by hydraulic.
Inside this state-of-the-art facility, precision machinery smooths the edges of the metals. The molten
Precision polishing ensures the highest luster before the metals are moved by robotic arms to the hydraulic press for stamping.
The molten gold is poured at precise temperatures, ensuring a flawless finish. Once cooled, the
The hydraulic presses stamp the gold blanks with immense force, a critical step before the metals move to the alignment stage.
In this high-tech environment, every single metal undergoes rigorous inspection before it can receive the hallmark of quality.
See the scratch here on the surface? We have to reject this one.
Once inspected, the approved metals are carefully placed onto velvet trays, ready for their final destination.
Utilizing state-of-the-art technology, the gold is refined and cast into new metals with absolute precision.
Here in the refinery, precision is everything. The metals are checked for quality before being placed into their cases by the automated system.
From the searing heat of the furnace to the precise pressure of the hydraulic press, every ounce of gold is transformed into certified metals.
In this state-of-the-art facility, robotic arms precisely pour the molten gold, which is then stamped by...
The process begins as the 2,000-degree molten gold is precisely moved by robotic arms to the...
That press alone handles the entire run for the new series.
The tolerances on the finish are excellent this batch.
Utilizing the latest in robotic technology, this facility refines and mints thousands of gold medals daily, a testament to modern engineering.
Here at the facility, precision is everything. From the molten gold to the final press, every step is... Here at the facility, precision engineering meets the purity of gold. Every metal undergoes rigorous quality.
Inside the state-of-the-art facility, molten gold is poured into molds before the hydraulic presses mint the metals with precision.